today we are working on this dead bird, which we did not kill ourselves. As you see, its poor neck is broken, but we're going to be using it for our dissection. As you see, we've got a utility knife. We're going to do a nice cut down the way.
Hold the knife the other way. There you go.
And I don't think this is strong enough. I feel bone.
You gotta stay inside.
I don't know if I've cut it or not. I'm trying to cut it, but it doesn't seem to be able to cut. Thank you. This'll work. And oh, take a look, viewers. The inside scoop of the bird. As you see close here, we've got these balls. Now, if we knew if it was male or female, we'd think it'd be other parts. And now let's try and use this cut to open up the rest of the body. Oh, here we go. It's much by the way, it's much grosser without goggles on. Now, as you see right here, I think these are the lungs. And that must be the liver. The inside scoop of a bird's body. And it's very gelatinous, let's say. Very gelatinous.
Can you lock the door, Sarah?
Very gelatinous. Think I should take off the bird's head? I think I should.
What is that button for right there?
What button? That's the doorknob.
Oh, we almost did it. He became the new nearly headless Nick of our age. Now the head is fully cut. Oh, there's the spinal cord.
Huh?
There's the spinal cord. That
bird?
Yeah.
bit here. Hey, Mommy, I'm doing...
Why don't you put paper on top of it so you don't work
Ugh.
directly on the...
Now, the bird's head. We've hit skull. Not sure. Oh, apparently there's a chink right here in the skull. I can fit mine right through it. But let's not, because we want to preserve it. Now, let's see these eyes. These eyes. I am poking out the eyeballs. There you go. The eyeball of a bird. Mommy, the eyeball!
The eyeball.